Hello friends, my name is Wilson, and today we're diving into the AI tools that you must be using in your restaurant business in 2026. Over the past few years, we've worked with hundreds of different restaurants, and as there are so many different AI tools popping up, we don't know what actually works, what is actually a dud. And that's the reason why we've dug into the specific tools that is actually gonna help with your restaurant business, things that you should actually implement into your restaurant business in 2026 that can help with your bottom line. And these are the 5 key areas that you can use in today's world. For years, all these high-tech tools are reserved for the big dogs, the ones that actually have the budget. But that has completely shifted in today's world. We now get the accessibility, the affordability to utilize these tools that can actually impact our businesses. And the purpose of this video is to take away the stress of dealing with operation craziness. It's to be able to allow you to know which tools to use so you don't have to feel like you're being left behind in this crazy AI boom. So then that way you can actually focus on creating delicious food, creating an amazing experience for your guests. So let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the most painful, annoying problem that every restaurant encounters, and that's the phone. How many times have it gone off the hook while you are in the middle of a rush? Last week, I was talking to a restaurant owner who was telling me how missing a call can literally cost her tens of thousands of dollars. Her restaurant has hundreds of seats, and every month she takes on multiple different parties, whether it's for a wedding, a corporate event, and that's the reason why implementing a voice AI agent is so critical to your restaurant operation. Think of this like a perfect employee. Being able to pick up calls 24/7, being able to actually put in the reservation into your system so automatically it's there. And the best part is that they never call in sick. And these systems are built specifically for restaurants. That means that it plugs straight into your POS system like Toast. And at the same time, it can actually take in orders, modification to your orders, specials that you're running, and even take payments through the voice agents. And the best part is that they're able to upsell every single time. Whether your customer is ordering a burger and your voice agent is upselling the famous garlic fries or to supersize, all these things are now capable with this AI agents. Now, as a disclaimer, any of the tools that I'm recommending are not sponsors. I'm only recommending them as a reference so you know what are the tools that are available today. Advancement of tech is happening so fast, so by the time you're watching this video, it could be a different platform that is much more capable. So use this only as a reference. Tools like Loman, Checkmate are built for small independent restaurants, so using them is relatively easy and actually is very affordable. So definitely implement them. I would actually try both of them out because you just don't know which one performs better for your restaurant. Now, the biggest thing to note here is that don't consider this as a cost for your restaurant business. Consider this as an investment into your operation. Some of the operators that I've talked to actually have seen a substantial increase in their revenue because of the calls that they're getting in. All right, let's talk about the hardest part of operating a restaurant, the people. Whether it's hiring, dealing with the payroll, dealing with compliance, these are all really big issues that oftentimes we stress about. Last week, I was talking to a friend of mine and he was telling me this operation nightmare, compliance nightmare that costed him $75,000, all because he didn't properly log the dinner break for his staff. The traditional ways of doing this is to have your GM call each and every one that applies, to have each one actually log in their timesheet, whether it's on Excel or worst of all, to have them handwritten down. All this involves a lot of human interactions and is prone to mistakes that can cost you a lot of money. So that's why having a system that can actually aggregate, put all these things together into one platform, so then that way your GM is not changing different platforms all the time. That can actually save you on subscription fee. That can actually be in compliant whether you are from this state or another state. This is the solution of the future. Platforms like Workstream allows you to actually have all these things under one roof. No more dealing with 5 different applications. You're dealing with one application from hiring all the way down to payroll, all the way down to compliance, everything aggregating into one software that you can use in your operation. Utilizing systems and investing in people is one of the key ingredients for you to have a successful restaurant business. So make sure you guys invest and take a look at these products. Now, before we dive into how you can utilize AI to make you money, I want you to help me do a quick favor. Smash that like button and subscribe along the journey because it shows me this is the type of content that's gonna help you with your business. We are shooting these videos and distributing them every single week to help small restaurants like you to use these AI in a smart way. So do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe along the journey. So how do you price your menu right now? Do you just double your ingredient costs, or are you copying the competitor down the street, undercutting them every time they have a promotion that is running? Pricing your menu based on your gut feeling in today's market is a recipe for disaster. Now, this is where AI-driven menu and price optimization is so critical. It might sound really complex, but it is just using data to maximize your profits, so then that way you leave no money on the table. It's going to be able to tap into your POS, so then that way they know how much you're charging. They're going to be able to understand how much your inventory is costing and suggest to you how much you should be charging. And the crazy thing is, it can even tap into how much your competitors are charging for similar items. This is so much more than just pricing. It is called menu engineering, being able to optimize for profits. We're talking about your bottom line, the money that you get to take home. Let's say your inventory system flags a case of avocado about to go bad. The AI would recommend you running a special for your business, so then that way you're gonna be able to get rid of all the avocado before it goes bad, turning something that can potentially be a waste into real dollars in your pocket. It stops you from underpricing your winners and overpricing some of the items that's gonna cost you money. All right, let's bring you to the back of the house. We're talking about the silent thief, the thief that is taking 2 to 3% off your bottom line. We're talking about food waste. Gallons of milk that goes expired, food produce that goes bad. We're literally talking about throwing cash into the bin. The old way of doing inventory is having your manager with a clipboard using manual labor to check off boxes full of mistakes. And this is where AI-driven management softwares can actually change this entire game. Instead of guessing, these software use what we call predictive analysis. It connects to your sales data, analyzes it, and shows you what types of ingredients you need more of. The AI would know that you sell more fish on Fridays and that, you know what, the sun is coming back out and so you need more orders for your patio, or that there's a big game happening and you need more fries. Based on all the data, the system is actually able to automate your order. So then that way you're not gonna have overage stuck into the fridge, or you're not gonna run out of ingredients for your best-selling items. Some of these software also includes computer vision. What that means is that you can actually bring a camera into your fridge and you can actually just take pictures and it's gonna automatically categorize all the inventory that you're gonna need. Platforms like Marketman, Whisk, Crunchtime, even Square are big players here. They offer these solutions not just for big chains, but also small independent restaurant like yours. Being able to reduce the food costs is a hidden cost that can substantially increase the amount of money that you're gonna be able to make. So make sure that we don't oversee this solution. Most restaurant owners that I know create amazing food, create beautiful experiences, but they aren't marketing experts. Because who has the time to post on Instagram all day long? They're focused on their creation, they're focusing on their customers, they're focusing on operations. You need to be top of mind to build retention. You need to be top of mind to build loyalty. That's the reason why you need to be in front of your customer's face. And that's the reason why AI marketing is so critical to your restaurant's business. Platforms like Bloom, Pop Menu, these platforms are designed to put your marketing on autopilot with a personal touch because it actually builds real relationships. They connect to your ordering, reservation systems, understand how your customers behave. Now imagine this, customer called Sarah orders vegan curry every couple of weeks and she haven't ordered for the last few months. An AI-powered CRM like Bloom or Pop Menu can automatically shoot her a personalized message, giving her a 15% discount for ordering with you again. And this is the type of treatment that turns a one-time customer into a regular. In fact, research has shown that more than a third of customers are actually excited to come back to a restaurant because of these loyalty programs. AI can also handle a big part of your online presence, whether having an AI chatbot in your website or on your Google business profile is also important because now they can answer, hey, are you guys open on Christmas time? Do you guys have a gluten-free option? These are all available for you to integrate into your profiles. For creating content, you can go beyond just ChatGPT. There are tools like Predis or Content Studio that can actually generate from post ideas to full content calendar specifically for your restaurant. And all this is based on what is actually trending. And the AI feature in Canva can actually help you design beautiful posts and menus in minutes, not hours. This isn't creating generic robotic junk. We're talking about utilizing AI to generate 80% of the repetitive work. So then that way you can come in with a human touch. This allows you to be able to stay top of mind, build loyalty for your customers to come into your restaurant, so then that way you don't need to spend tens of thousands of dollars on a marketing agency. So there you go, friends, the 5 different pillars that you should be utilizing AI in your operations. Look, I know taking the first step of implementing tech is a very daunting task. You have millions of things that you're dealing with. The last thing you want to do is to learn a new technology. And quite frankly, that is the reason why I'm here creating content for you. I'm here to decipher through all the noise, tell you exactly what types of tools. In the guide below, we've packaged everything for you so then that way you can share it with your colleagues, share it with your partner, get them up to speed. Make sure you guys download it. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video.